I just brought out my beans from the freezer and poured it into my pot. This palm oil. I've not added crayfish and onions, but I want to grind my onions because I don't just cut onions into my beans like that. This is half cooked beans, and I have blender now. I don't understand the blender. God, I beg. It's even embarrassing, and I'm just reading the instructions. Like, I want to blend normal onions with water and pepper. So how do I now use it? Because it's saying if this is the food processor function. Food processor function. Okay. So I'm not using food processor now. And this is the blender function. They are saying the blender function, milkshake function, crushing, ice crushing function, fruits and vegetable function. And that count. This one, ice cream function. So which one will I now use to do onions and it's like I'll use the one that has the lowest seconds. So this is total of 56 seconds. Happy? So it's total of 66 seconds. So let me do this one. 56. Even though the thing I want to blend is very small. Like guys. Hey. Just know I'm wanting to buy plenty work. I think it's this one I used to be blending things like tomato. Which one is vegetable puree? Someone should help me on vegetable puree. This one. Let me use this one because that's the lowest. 56 seconds in total. So less than 1 minute. I'm done grinding my onions and pepper. So let me try it. Let me try it because don't get expensive blender like this now. You don't know how to use it. Okay, hang on guys. Just using it for the first time and this is my onions. This is what I want to blend though. That's very small something. With pepper. Let me show you. And I have the whole workstation slab thing. I don't know why I'm pressing it there. Yeah. I'm supposed to add water. Sweet food. Let me just have small water, just small. Which I doubt I need. The cover is so solid that I was confused on how to open it because it has a click stuff. I don't know. Okay, I don't know. I fixed it that time. It can click, sha. Is it like this? Is it like this? I think it's like this. Okay. It has clicked. Let me go and blend. Let me plug my extra battery. Let's see how to use this stuff. Why not like this? Okay, it's clicked. Okay, so I've added seasoning cubes, salt, crayfish, the pepper and onions I grinded, and then plantain, bits of plantain. So when it's dry, you will see it. This is my plantain. I mistakenly covered it, I forgot, and because of the size of my pot, it poured out. The weather in Lagos now, I don't even understand this kind of weather. Okay, beans is ready. You can have this with curry and what? Yeah, smoke curry with it or bread. already put plantain. Some you can just fry your plantain at the side, but I already put plantain in it, so I'm not doing that. Guys, I want to make fried rice and jollof rice at the same time. I'm going to use my chopper to chop this. It's faster. I'm not going to use my hand. I mean, I have the gadgets for it. So this one I use my hand knife, and it's easier to chop sausage than chopping this one. So obviously I'm going to use something. I could have used the same thing I will use for this carrot for this, but I'm still waiting for other things. My husband forgot to buy what they call it, runner beans. So soon sef I'm going to buy a lot of carrots and then just process these veggies down and put in my freezer. That's what I used to usually do then. Just thought to show you. My lights are not on. Manage it for me. Nothing much here. I want to fry the sausages now in this my small fry pan. And when the food is ready, I will show you because I don't want to film it. I'm just tired. When the food is ready, I'm going to show you. Lazy man vlog when you don't really want to vlog something. But I gotta doing it for doing sake. Come back. I said I should update you. This one. This is my white jollof rice now. Wow. Anyway, tired of fried rice. I just want taste of fresh water on the fried rice. I want this onions to burn very well. Guys, I was able to salvage some. The carrots, the sausage, the sweet corn, and the runner beans. I'm going to put it in my freezer now. For noodles and spaghetti stuffs. I want to make milkshake, so this is my milk, this is my smoothie blender, this is my ice, this ice cream, and then this is my vanilla flavor. So that's what it will do before I start. Yay! So I don't have whipped cream, I don't have chocolate syrup. I'm gonna buy all those things. Don't worry, just let me give it a try out. So you open it this way. Once you open it now, you will see the seed. Okay. You don't see. Then you picked it. See. Immediately you press it. The seed go come out. So. Okay. You don't blend the seed with it. Now this thing, we red. This is a red like this. Now if they make a red, it won't be like tomato paste. But this thing tomato. You can't lighten tomato. Okay, you can't do lighten tomato. Yes. But I still had my you did do it. Yeah, I used to like this. I'll first boil like my ginger, onions, everything. You understand? I'll now blend it. It's not look like that. You see now. Food the day, my sister. The very first day I ate this, I said, wow. And it tastes well. Very well. So all this seed, see how many seeds we do one. If you now replant it now, you can't see. You can't grow. You will grow.
So now this head, that's why they, if it ripe, it will be able to, you'll be able to remove the stick. There used to be stick. There used to be
Okay,
remove
like
it.
this.
You see am?
Eh.
So this one now you don't need that. You
Okay, yeah.
trash it with this one. So this one you fold down, put down for your blender, straight blender.
Okay, with the cover.
Yes.
Eh.
Okay, you thought it's with the this
I
thing.
think say na just the red something. Oh.
No.
Okay, no wonder they plenty.
So see,
Okay. I think say na just
you
tiny
cut
tiny red
this one
something.
too. No,
The same thing with this one too.
the same thing. Like this one. You see am?
Mm.
They don't take the lighter. No?
Inverter dey.
Yeah.
So make I
Put
add
them for your
onions,
yes.
add ginger, garlic if I
Okay.
want.
So this one, like this, I just want you to have the taste of. Just add small pepper to
Mm.
this and fry it and
Small
see
pepper.
how it will come out.
I kuku get fresh pepper.
Yeah, let's do now.
No join am abi.
Yes.
Okay.
Now I won't go use. I don't blend my own for house. I just think
Mm.
I remain these two for you. I plucked like
Okay.
4. I'll show you video on my phone. Because of people that were asking me, people who can't do it say, Mommy, please, how
Mm.
na they eat this now tomato?
Mm.
I can't do the video. It did my phone.
And the thing is sweet.
Ah, it is sweet
It
though.
tastes like normal tomato
Yes.
or better than normal tomato.
It tastes like normal tomato, but it have this kind aroma. Maybe say normal tomato no get.
Mm.
You understand? Like
Mm.
you get one kind aroma sha what I like.
Wey dey nice.
Yeah, very nice. So all this one now,
Go throw am.
you can throw away this one, but this one you can replant it.
Replant.
This is the seed.
Okay. And it dey grow fast. How many months e dey
Fast,
use
fast.
grow?
You don't go.
How many months e dey use grow?
Let's say within 3 4 months, you don't dey shop am.
Mm.
Let's say 4 months.
Okay.
Then they bring out the. So the pepper, now they shop pepper. Me.
I
Just
added small onions
1 2 3 4.
and garlic. I don't have ginger, but you don't have to. You can just add only onions and pepper,
Now
like
they
she
shop
said.
pepper. Now. It's okay.
It's okay.
Don't
I
they
wan
do
get
like this?
TikTok version. The waka dey okay like
It's
this.
okay.
Start. It's what? This is
100.
600
Abi? Okay,
ml because
600.
this thing na 1000. That's 1 liter, 1750 ml. That's 1 liter plus, almost 2 liters. And here it got to 600 ml. So that was the quantity of those of that two, abi. I just made my something like normal stew, but the thing is that I seasoned it so well, just so that in case it doesn't taste well, I will not complain. And then I added so much oil. It's my time. It's my time. It's so big. It's beef, like liver, heart, and then I bought chicken. Hopefully it tastes well. Oh God, I beg, God, I beg. This chicken bum bum, chicken, small chicken laps. It's to chop the food now and taste it. So I want to give you my opinion as I taste it now. This is how it's looking. Regular stew now. Let me taste it first. First, I shall come out. Pray for me. Let me blow it because it's hot. Hmm, not bad though. Actually, not bad. Wow. I over seasoned it. It's like there's too much salt in this my food. Very sweet oh. Yeah, it's snake tomato stew. Wonderful.